sideloadly install. Sideloadly install. Close this. If you see this coming, then close it. Then click again the sideloadly install. Lapitan mo. Sideloadly install. After this, then download and install via sideloadly. Download and install via sideloadly. Click. Click again. Then you will see the icon of sideloadly here. Then it's downloading. Downloading up to 164 MB. Wait until it finish. After downloading Arena of Valor hack inside Loadly, it will appear the icon here and finish downloading. Then the next step is connect your iPhone through your laptop or computer. Note that you need to erase the application if you have installed app Arena of Valor in your phone. Then connect your phone through computer. After connecting your phone through computer, it will be detect in here. This is my iPhone. This is my iPhone, so I just need to change this Apple ID. You need the Apple ID here. After connecting your Apple ID here, start. Press start. It's finished, done. And it's done, it will appear on your phone like this, Arena of Valor. But don't open. Don't open. The last step is open your settings, then general, VPN and device management. Here is your Apple ID. Just click it. Then click trust. Then it's okay. Then now you can unplug your cord onto your phone and can open directly Arena of Valor with Map Hack.